"15 kitchen tips and tricks no one ever told you about." Today, we have 20 kitchen tips for you which will make your everyday life much easier. Some of them include how to extend the freshness of your vegetables and fruit, the best way to clean your pans, etc. So, keep reading and find out more. 1. Prevent the growth of bacteria in dairy products. We all know that cottage cheese and sour cream do not have a very long shelf life, so this is what you need to do to prolong their shelf life. 2. Extend the shelf life of fresh vegetables. Put some paper towels on the shelf in the refrigerator. This will soak up the excess moisture and will slow down the rotting process. 3. How to be sure that the eggs are fresh. In order to be sure that you have bought fresh eggs, you should put the eggs in a bowl filled with water. If the eggs are fresh, they will sink while the bad eggs will float. 4. How to keep your brown sugar from getting all hard and crumbly. Keep your brown sugar in the fridge and it won't get hard. In a case it is already hard, you should place a sealed bag with a slice of fresh apple and bread in order to soften it. The results will amaze you. 5. How to keep your salt from getting hard. Just put a few grains of rice in it. The rice will absorb the moisture and prevent your salt from getting hard. 6. How to prevent dry cheese. Rub the cheese over with oil or butter. If you use butter, you should press it deep into the cracks and make sure to rub into the separated edges. 7. How to save sinewy meat. You should use beer, vinegar, or tomato juice, lemon, papaya or pineapple to marinate the meat. These ingredients contain acids or enzymes which will save your sinewy meat. If this does not provide the desired results, gently cut the meat with a pizza knife. 8. How to revive flat champagne. If your champagne is flat and it does not have any bubbles, then you should try this trick to make your champagne fizz again. Just put 1 to 2 raisins in it a few minutes before you want to use it. 9. How to convert the pudding into mousse. Instead of using milk or water, you should make the pudding with whipped cream. 10. How to reverse crystallized honey to its natural color. If your honey gets crystallized, put the honey jar in water until it becomes clear. 11. How to save over salted soup. You should add some raw potatoes or apples in your soup so they will absorb the extra salt. Boil them for 10 minutes and remove it from heat. Then, remove the apples or potatoes from the soup. Also, you can try another trick. Just add some sugar or vinegar in it. 12. How to keep your butter fresh. Put it in a zipper bag, so it won't absorb the odor from the other foods. The butter can sit there for up to 6 months. 13. Get rid of the excess fat in the soup. If you have time, put a bowl of soup in the fridge for 30 minutes, then remove the fat layer from the soup. In a case you are in a hurry, just put some ice cubes in the soup and remove when you see that there is fat around them. 14. How to improve the taste of burned milk. Just add a pinch of salt in it. This will eliminate the bad smell. 15. How to make your fruit ripe. Put the fruit in a paper bag and put an apple in it. The apple emits ethylene gas and will speed up the ripening process.